respect for self. Second are respect for others. And third, the most important one, responsibility for all their actions. Now I request Devendra sir to read out the duties of the student council. Sir.
Roles and responsibilities of the members of Student Council to assist in planning and development of various cultural, sports, social and other educational interests of students of the institute. Provide scope to contribute in the development of students' leadership skills, program planning and volunteering. To officially represent all the students of this institute, to identify and help solve problems encountered by students in the institute, to promote and encourage the involvement of students in organizing all the activities of school, to inform students about any subject that concerns them, to help enforce discipline among students and be self-disciplined yourself.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Nisha sir to pin up the benches. First, we will have Avni Bothare, the cultural secretary. Umar Sheikh Tanavlikar, the sports secretary. Pawnee Bothare, assistant head girl. Next, Vignesh Shetye, assistant head boy. Durva Kanikar, head girl. And Shubhan Govekar, the head boy. I request teacher Anvesha to administer the oath to the members of the student council. This oath is for these students, okay?
I request the student council to repeat the oath after me. We, the members of student council, promise to fulfill our duties to the best of our ability, without fear of favor, for the glory of our school and the true benefit of our fellow students.
Thank you, teacher. Now let's give them a round of applause and best wishes to all these dynamic leaders. I call upon the head boy, Shubhan Govekar, to express his thoughts.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Shubhan Govekar, studying in 9th standard. My dear friends, I stand here as a leader not just to lead you, but to work together as a team with each one of you to achieve the best for our institute. It is an honor for me to be the head boy of our school. I promise to work hard with all my devotion and determination. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhan. Now it's the turn of the head girl, Ms. Durva Kanikar, to address the students.
Good morning all. First of all, I would like to thank all my teachers for considering me worthy enough for this honorable post of head girl. And I would also like to thank all of my dear friends for your support and your valuable words. I promise all of you that you will not regret your decision of electing me as your head girl. I also promise you that I will listen to all of your ideas, problems and suggestions and coordinate them with the respective teacher. I will work very hard for you to assure that every one of you has a very memorable year in this school. Thank you.
Thank you, Durva. I hope that these young leaders will uphold the values of this school and perform their duties honestly and impartially. Thank you.